Hello everyone, I am Chef Raja and I'm back with another weight loss remedy. Guys, all you need is 3 simple ingredients. You need 1 lemon, you need about 3 to 4 onion, red onion that is, and you need some parsley. Alright guys, I already peeled 3 of the onion guys. I keep this one to show you how I peel it. Onion peel is very healthy guys, so don't throw them away. Try this remedy and trust me, you will thank me later. Alright, so here we have our onion here. All you need is a dry peel, guys. Okay, guys. What I want to do now, guys, is to wash the peel. Peel already washed, so now I want to go in with the lemon, guys. Guys, you want to cut this lemon as small as you can. Yes. So I'm gonna do now, guys, to make 4 cups of water. Next up, you're going to put it to boil. Okay guys, so red that looking. So what I want to do now is go in with your parsley. Turn off the stove now, guys. I'm going to cover this, allow the parsley to draw. Guys, this remedy. Okay everyone, now that's our tea. What I want to do now, guys, is strain this. Okay guys, you could drink a glass of this on an empty stomach every morning. If you're overweight, guys, you can drink 2 glasses or 2 cups rather a day, 1 in the morning and 1 at night before bed. Also, you can sweeten it just with a little honey, guys. guys, so there you have it. Our weight loss tea. Trust me guys, it do work. You're gonna thank me later.